Hey everybody, welcome to Park Hopping with Tom and Val. We are live here in EPCOT today, and we are going to be doing Spaceship Earth because it's the 25th and today is reopening day. We got to do a early entry sneak peek.
Yeah, we got a sneak peek last weekend. I think we did a short on that really quickly. I don't know. But anyway, we are going to have fun.
So let's go jump on real quick.
All right.
Get a quick ride in. This is true or not, but somebody else said it, and we said it in our sneak peek video, that these screens look enhanced better. I don't know, I can't tell you. This looks different to us.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our plan is to sail through the universe of time, and for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers. But where are we going? And what kind of future will we discover there? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt as a team, and survive together. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds flat is inventing papyrus, a sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping of plans, designs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilizations. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Thank the Phoenicians, which public schools, and then begin teaching an intriguing new subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. With lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans create a powerful empire. To move their armies around, they build a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first World Wide Web, and it's leading us into the future. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field. And the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Books, it seems, were just the beginning. Now, communication technology races headlong into the future. And soon people all over the world are sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before. By now, we're all communicating from anywhere on Earth, and in 1969, from somewhere else.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house? There's just one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Attention travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth.
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with wind power from your home fueling station,
Me and my headless husband.
you won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. You've already planned the trip with your virtual travel agent. Hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning?
Man.
of your future.
There's Valerie. There's that little speck right there is me. So that's interesting. We thought last week that or last time we rode, that it actually did a better job with the pictures. Now I'm really, really doubting that. So I don't think that's an issue. Let's take a look around Project tomorrow.
Yeah, let's look around.
Kind of see what's doing in here. If it's any different, any newer. I don't think it is. Okay, missing rocks is not Val's
Giant
forte.
boulders. Press OK for safe path.
Foiled again!
Foiled again.
That was close.
So the line for Spaceship Earth's grand reopening is really starting to pick up. All right, so we went and rode. It was awesome.
We got to walk right on too.
Yeah.
That was great.
Yeah, we got here early,
did.
so we got here like right at 9. We walked on. It's a 5-minute ride. The lines are starting to build though already. I'll try to drop some footage into
Yeah,
that.
when we came out, you can see the lines already getting growing.
It's race day today as well, so that doesn't help. What do you think about the lighting?
I thought that the lighting was better. Like I said, I mean, I thought that last week, but I definitely think that the lighting is better on some of the scenes.
Yeah, and I think it'll come through pretty good on the camera.
It was a smoother ride. We get stopped in the same spot each time.
Every time. I think we told
we ride
you.
this bike, ride this bike.
Yeah. The animatronic movement, did I really notice a difference? I'm not sure. I don't think so. So all in all, you know, it was basically just a maintenance upgrade, I think, more than anything else. I don't think it was a whole lot different ride.
Yeah.
So I'll try to post some footage from both. I'll find some old footage that I've got of us on another adventure in Spaceship Earth and try to show the differences. So anyway, if you really enjoy what we do, we love to bring you theme park news. We love to bring you experiences and POVs. We love to do food reviews. If you like all that kind of stuff, what should they do?
Like, subscribe, ring the bell. Woohoo!
Woohoo! And with that, I think we're going to close it out today. Love you,
Love you,
Ren.
Rennie.